So, good afternoon students. Now we have the another derivation, maximum discharge equation through the nozzle. Okay. So recently we have to prove these two derivation. One is the maximum condition ratio. What is the condition ratio? P2 upon P1 is equal to 2 upon n plus 1 to the power n upon n minus 1. Then another equation we have to prove the condition for discharge, means what is the mass flow rate. So what is the mass flow rate? Ms is equal to AC2 in a bracket 2n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 in a bracket P2 upon P1 to the power 2 by n minus P2 upon P1 to the power n plus 1 upon n. We have to prove all this. So what is the maximum discharge? So this maximum discharge is calculated by using these two equations. Okay. So suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So put equation 1 in equation number 2. So after putting the equation number 1 in equation 2, so what is we get? We get Ms is equal to AC2 in a under root. Okay, put, I write down here, put equation 1 in equation 2. So what is here? 2n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 in this P2 by P1 is replaced by this value. So what is 2 upon n plus 1, correct? N upon n minus 1, very good, to the power, once again this bracket, 2 upon n, shabash, understand? Correct. Minus biggest bracket, this term 2 upon n plus 1 to the power n upon n minus 1 bracket to the power n plus upon n, complete final brackets, right? So after this, what is here? How can you solve? Suppose this is equation number 3. So how do you solve? This n get cancelled. This n is also get cancelled. So what is remaining? The remaining term is Ms AC2 into under root 2n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 into what is remaining? 2 n plus 1 to the power 2 upon n minus 1, correct? Under root here 2 n plus 1, very good, to the power, correct, n plus 1 upon n minus 1 bracket, complete. Suppose equation number 4. We have to getting this Ms AC2 2n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 into 2 upon n plus 1 to the power 2 upon n minus 1 into minus this one, this is the power. Then after solving this, what is we do here? Very one simple mathematics adjustment will be there. So you see guys there. So this term, So this term, take the common from this bracket of equation number 4. So after taking this term common, which one? This one. This term, you take this term common. So after common this term, Ms AC2 in under root twice n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1. After common, what is remaining? 2 n1 n plus 1 n plus 1 upon n minus 1 in a bracket 2 upon n plus 1 to the power 2 upon n minus 1. Okay, you see here now. So when you take this term is common, so this term is divided with this equation. After dividing with this equation, okay, after dividing this, I solve here directly, then you see here 2 upon n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 upon n minus 1, and this 1 will be here. Okay. So this term is divided here. So when this term is divided, means this term in denominator, so we have to replace, means we have to shifted the denominator in numerators. So when you shifted this term in numerator, so this term becomes a minus, because we know that plus become minus. So how plus become minus? See here. Okay, I do this step here, not a extra step write down here. I directly do here, because from the video you easily clear that. So what is 2 upon n plus 1 to the power, what is minus? Very good. N plus 1, n minus 1 minus 1. Then complete under root. You see here, complete observation. You see. Got it? Okay. Then after that, look at the guys. Once again mathematics. So there is a base are same. So base are same, then what is? Power is added. So what is the change? The change will be here. Okay. I write down here, see. So ms is equal to AC2 into under root. What is remaining? Twice n minus 1 into P1 V1 into 2 upon n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 upon n minus 1 bracket. Base are same, power is added. What is, tell me the finally what is remaining? Finally 2 n plus 1 n minus 1, this minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2, what is? Correct, 1. So what is? 1 minus n upon, very good, n minus 1 minus 1. We are to getting this step. Okay. Then later what is here? Adjustment. See here. So ms AC2 under root twice n minus 1 P1 V1 into 2 n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 upon n minus 1 bracket. You see here very precautionary. 1 minus n minus 1. So I am taking the common here minus. So minus sign is common. So what is here? Minus. So what is the minus? N minus 1. Very good. Upon n minus 1 minus 1 bracket complete. So boys, this n minus 1 and this n minus 1 get cancelled. So what is the final equation remaining here? See. Final equation, ms AC2 in under root twice n minus 1 into P1 V1 into these 2 n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 minus n minus 1 into, this term is also under root bracket. Tell me what is remaining? Correct? 2 upon n plus 1 to the power minus 1 minus 1 bracket. Okay, suppose I call this equation number 4. Okay, so then further, not 4, this is the 5. So lastly, this ms, you getting this. So this minus 1, you have to rearrange the term once again. Denominator shifted in numerator, numerator shifted in denominator. Then once again plus become minus and minus become plus. So equation 4 adjustment, ms AC2 under root twice n minus 1 into P1 V1 2 upon n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 upon n minus 1. Now you see very properly. So what is adjustment? Correct. Plus upon 2 plus. Very good. Minus 1. Very good. Correct. Then it is very simple. Then you multiply by this 2 here. N plus 1. This 2 is here. So what is? ms AC2 twice n minus 1 P1 V1 2 n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 n minus 1 here. 2 multiplied by this simple math. Tell me. Correct. Very good. So n minus 2 upon n minus 2, no, minus 2, 1, minus 1 upon 2, correct. Okay. So after solving, what is remaining? You see properly. This n minus 1, this n minus 1 cancel. Then what is? This 2 is cancelled. So what is remaining in a bracket? AC2 under root n into P1 V1 into 2 n plus 1 to the power n plus 1 upon n minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. So hence prove. This one. Final equation. So this is the M max, maximum discharge through the nozzles. So this is the M max, maximum discharge through the nozzle. Maximum discharge through nozzle. Right? So if you see this equation, what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is the maximum mass flow rate. First conclusion, first. The maximum mass flow rate is depend upon the AC2. So what is AC2? AC2 is a correct cross-sectional area of a throat. So mass flow rate is depend upon the throat area. Very good. Then another, mass flow rate is depend upon the initial pressure condition and initial specific volume condition. Very good, boys. Then another, the mass flow rate is depend upon this isentropic index. But mass flow rate does not depend upon the divergence section. If you observe there is no any P2, V2 will be there. Does not depend upon the divergence section. Divergence section only used to provide or to increase the acceleration of a steam, not regarding any connection with the mass flow rate. The divergence section only the accelerate the steam. Okay, so it is very carefully, this max is M max, maximum mass flow rate is depend upon on these following conditions. Okay, so these are the very IMP derivation today I am solve regarding the university point of view. So all the students, you do properly this derivation, and any doubts, any difficulty, so you call me or you write down the any suggestion or any your problem in comments. Okay, thank you very much.